So this is how I trade.
I remind you time and again that I'm really him, or you ain't know.
So this was today. But the most interesting part is I'm out here with Adam. So they're my students and
we all make money here.
really good.
Cash.
Welcome.
So, welcome to apartment here. I hope it's not too disorganized.
Have a nice apartment.
Really?
I live my dreams, I got it locked, the master keeping on me.
When I came about your videos on Google,
On YouTube?
yes, to keep explaining, you need to just create your own account. So I realized that this thing is real.
Yeah.
It encouraged me.
Yeah.
It gets a point where I nearly give up for those things, trading stuff.
Oh,
yes, because of fake people.
I know.
Even you meet your own African
Yeah.
same platform. So your videos really helped me a lot.
So what's up guys, so out here we just met now with Adam and we are going to have a day with him. So we shall do just a bit of trading, we shall also deposit some cash on his account and just get to trade together. And we're going to spend the day, so we shall later move out for lunch. And so I guess let's meet Adam first.
Yeah.
So Adam, for how long have you been trading by the way?
For 2 months now.
Yeah, 2 months, yeah. And you say you've been staying in Dubai for about
5 years.
5 years down.
Without leave.
Wow, 5 years.
5 good years.
I'm also actually shifting to Dubai, so I'd love to stay in Dubai. Then I'm also in Nairobi, that's Kenya, and maybe Uganda. So just like that, yeah. For the fact that you've been inside the academy, you kind of get to trade together, analyze and do stuff. So would you say it has helped, and which way?
It has helped me mentally and psychologically. It's not easy to trust these things. Not everyone believes in these things.
Yeah, everyone says trading is a scam.
And until you go into, I just started. I'm not benefited or make any cash yet. And I am not worried because I know everything is in the process.
Trusting the process,
because we always trust the process. And so far, the things that I'm learning tells me that I will do something. Because if you are learning something and you are getting it, and it shows that it will even motivate and encourage you to do more.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable.
So I wanted us to just go ahead and trade together. Maybe I could also see how you trade. Then after, we can deposit some money to your account. Julius, how much are you making? $100 or $150? $100, okay. So which pairs do you trade more often?
Yes, I like to trade gold.
You love to trade
and Bitcoin also.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
yes.
Okay. So would you want to analyze gold or Bitcoin? Or we can just
let's analyze
together.
Gold.
Alright, if we can get a trend, better. So this is how I trade. So first things first, what I do is I'm going to find a trend. You see? So the trend can easily be found when you're in bigger time frames, say H4 or even the daily. You could even come up to the daily. It depends on what you want. Because now on the daily, we can see gold has been in an uptrend. Yeah, so we can see it's been in an uptrend, right?
Yes.
Now, how do we understand the trend? Well, mostly enough, the price is going to keep pushing and breaking all the highs. Not so. Let me just show you an example. So you see, like this example, you see the price pushing up, coming, pushing up, coming, pushing up, right? So meaning if the trend is still on, we must see such a thing. The price must continuously break all the highs. You get? Now what happens is, if at any point the price stops doing this, then we can expect a reversal because the price won't keep going. At some point we could say if the price was initially going like this, at some point it could finally reverse. Exactly, so we must have to watch out for that. Now let's see what gold has been doing. So gold has been pushing up and then we have this level so far. Now we can see the price failed to break above, so we can see that the price pushed up to here, right? Then came back, pushed up here. We expected it to push above, but it didn't, and it's back here.
No, you think it will still go up?
Yeah.
And it's push back.
No, that's the thing. The moment you master this, so the price in an uptrend, it's continuous. The price has now reversed. I think we need to take action. the better. Basically, the next thing that I do is draw out level, so we can have like a level there. So a level is just even here. So a level is just you looking out for areas where the price
area of value
or an area of value. You get. So say here we can see the price came off here and then reacted off. The price came off here and then reacted off. So once you also have those areas, you're going to know that okay, these are the areas that I must closely watch out for. You get. Now remember, we are still on the daily. That's a very bigger time frame. Now let's scale down to like the H4. Yeah. Alright. So now on the H4. Now even the better, even on smaller time frames, you can redo the same thing. You can decide to draw levels again and see how the price reacts. So in such a scenario, we can decide and say, how about we draw one level here? Because again, you can see the price came up to here and then reacted. Yeah. Then we can also maybe even have one here. Yeah, because now we can see the price came here and maybe it's reacting off. Now, you see now it's even becoming easier. So we had a level that we drew, we have another one, we have another, now we have another one. Now here, it's now waiting. So once I have the trend, I'm drawing my levels. Then after I draw the levels, now we just wait for the price.
This now in the daily time frame.
So actually for now we're on the H4.
We're in the H4.
Yeah, so if we want, we can even go back the daily and see how it looks. So on the daily, this is how it looks. We have this, we also have this. Actually, if we stretch this, it even touches this side. So the price got here, again. So looking good. Now let's go back to H4. And this is how it's looking, right? So now our work is to now wait. Because now when you draw your levels, because we say the levels must be respected in some way, either the price is going to react or break them. So we could maybe say expect the price to push down here, right? Because again, with the reaction, the first reaction that we saw was the price pushing off this area. So there is a lot of selling pressure already happening. See this? All these candlesticks show that there's a lot of selling pressure. But also remember, as we mentioned, the price is going to move like this, come back, move, come back, move, not so. So in such an example, we can also look at it as it has pushed and maybe just a pullback and then maybe continuously push down, not so. So we can even now start scaling down, so we have even a much interesting look. So how about to go down to H1? So this is also, we can also call it top to down analysis. You keep scaling down, scaling down, scaling down. So it's even looking interesting. So we can have a level here. This is also a small level, not so. And we can also have one around here, not so, right here. So what do you think? Should we be looking out for sales or buys so far? If we can also just draw a level, a very small level here.
So far we look for
straight here. We are laying out for sales. So actually this is a good trade. If we have our sales here, then we shall have our stop loss just up here. And then our take profit up to here. It's going to be a good trade.
The stop loss should be around.
So I put the stop loss above this region because there is a strong If the price reverses up, then we are kicked out and it's okay. So it's a good one. Let me share this trade off with the community. This is actually a very good one. So what we are going to do now is, let's trade it together. I'll open it on my big account, but also I wanted you to trade and maybe make some money off it. So in the trade section, I just sent the setup through and we are waiting for an entry. But I think earlier on, guys really made a bit of money when it's JPY. Seems like a good day ahead. Yeah. Now for gold, since it's gold, we shall open up 0. Let's do 0.01 for now. And then see how it looks. So we shall go sales. Pretty good. We can even add one more. I'll show you why. Right. So most especially, I look at the margin level. You see this margin level here? It really matters a lot. If it goes down 500, then more often enough it means you've really stretched your account too much. So let's go ahead and place a stop loss. So our stop loss, we're going to have it right around this area here. This is 23.61. So 23.61.17. Then a take profit. Now let's see about a take profit. This is a 1 to 2, so we could have it up to this. Now this can be a fast take profit. Once the price hits here, we should secure some money off and then raise up. So let's just keep it 122. This is 23.90. Yes. So we can just copy the same details and paste them to the other trade. So currently in a drawdown of about a couple, it's 30 cents. We're getting profits. The price later really going to push down, but let's watch out. So I think Adam is going to update us throughout, but since I also have the same trade, so we should really be able to.
Is your trade going on?
Yeah, I also have my trade going on.
I just wanna lie.
Have we made any money? 100%. We are hard, very hard. So this was today. Now we are down about 4K. But the most interesting part is I'm out here with Adam. So they're my students and
We all make money here.
really good day.
Full cash.
Good day. Cheers.
Yeah, no, I'm studying like a milli rocket.
Just came here to have fun. After we make a profit that we trading today, came to have fun.